We hope your Wednesday's going as well as ours is. Welcome back. It is a great day, certainly, for the three of us.
It is now.
Because we get to munch on some delicious eats, all courtesy of Sauce on the Side. Now, if you don't know Sauce on the Side, first of all, there's just something wrong with you.
Yes.
Secondly, what you really need to know is calzones, calzones, calzones. So awesome. So right now.
And be hungry.
Yes, come hungry. Right now, they're offering a great deal this holiday season when you visit one of their 7 locations.
7 now. That's
Yeah.
awesome.
And they're out of state too. They're all over the place now, but it started here.
You see their
One
little
of the-
cars humming around.
I know. When you visit one of their 7 locations here in the St. Louis area and you purchase $50 worth of gift cards, you're going to get something back. You'll get a free calzone, salad, or order of bite sides. That's a win-win is what we
Yeah.
call that. And friends, the holiday fun does not stop there. Since it's the first of the month, they got a new special debuting today. You ready for this?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's the Santa Clausone.
Well, that's adorable.
You want to
This
know
one?
what's in the Santa Clausone?
One here.
Yeah.
Holiday ham, garlic mashed potatoes, pancetta Brussels sprouts, white cheddar cheese, and maple gravy served on the side.
It's sauce on the side.
That's how they roll.
Yeah.
They also have you seen this dessert scrumptiousness here? The s'mores dessert this month, which is just basically one giant s'more. Other items that you see decked out in the Great Day Kitchen this morning include...
Besides Laura.
Thank you. I wore a belt today.
I love this. So good with the names. The Cockadoodle Noodle Calzone and the Fatty Bee Calzone. It's like all my high school nicknames.
It's like
wrapped into
Cardi B, only a calzone.
The Italian salad and the Beats Me salad are out here too. And the Buffalo Chicken Bites.
Ooh.
It is all just scrumptious, my friends. And they do catering. Can you imagine if you're the boss of the office and you cater with Sauce on the Side?
Well,
It would
because
go
half the
over
people
well.
around the
Goes
table
up.
are going to be asleep shortly after
That's right.
after lunch is
Do
over.
the presentation first. Do the PowerPoint first.
Yeah, let's get this
and
out of the
then
way.
roll out the Sauce on the Side. So visit sauceontheside.com. Super quick, super easy ordering process. It's all right there.
And it's good for you, too.
Well, we buried the lead on that
Yeah,
deal,
we
didn't we? Not a calorie in this stuff.
All right, from